Hello students, I am just sitting here drawing what I hope you are enjoying, which is it's spring break, right? And so that's good news, and I do hope that you're having a nice time. I just wanted to touch base with you a little bit to remind you about due dates and also some of the grades that have been posted. I did grade and posted the grades for your Chapter 5 extra credit. Many of you took advantage of this, and that's wonderful. That's exactly what you should be doing. Also, hopefully, it helped you to understand combinations and permutations as you worked with the scenarios and then used Excel to solve those. Now, don't forget that you have Learning Project 2 due in just a few days, and those videos that you watched should have also helped you a lot with our discussions in Chapter 5 on probability. Looking ahead, you have another learning project due that I'd really like you to go ahead and start now, and that is Learning Project 3. If you read the instructions for Learning Project 3, you're going to watch some more videos. Now, those videos deal very directly with binomials, hypergeometric, and Poisson distributions, as well as the discrete distributions. They also will show you some techniques for using your calculator to solve those problems. So not only are you going to see instructors who are solving, problems just like you're going to do in Connect, but many of them will lay their calculator down on camera so that you can see that. Some of them actually show the calculator steps off to the side so you can see that. Plus, you have the Chapter 6 extra credit that you can work on that will really, in my opinion, help you with things like binomials, hypergeometrics, and Poissons. Okay, so get started on that. Chapter 6 is another chapter that we're going to test immediately after the chapter because it's a transitional chapter as we go into probability distributions. I did give you the extra time on that just to allow you to beef up and complete assignments and prepare a little bit, but I think that you're going to be able to knock this out with relative ease. I will take this opportunity to remind you, even though it is, let me choose other colors, spring break, yay, spring break. Don't fall behind on this, okay, because you're going to find that it's going to be very, very easy to think that it's easy and to wait until the last minute, and then you're going to be working on just these couple problems in Connect, and 30 minutes turns into an hour turns into 2 hours, and you're swearing that you've done it right, but it keeps giving you the wrong answer. And what you really have to admit at that point is that your brain is tired and that you're either typing something incorrectly into your calculator or incorrectly into Excel, or you're just kind of lost. This is an important time to review our process. What kind of problem is it? That's to write the equation, you have to know what kind of problem it is. List your givens. Don't type out a long paragraph of, I saw that there were 10 shoes, pairs of shoes. No. N equals what? X equals what? Probability, pi in that case, equals what, right? Write all those things down so that as you're plugging them into the problem, if you need help, you can send those to me, and I can understand where we got off course, right? So don't forget, as we go forward, as you run into problems, send me your work, right? Attach it. Excel spreadsheets work very well for that. Attach it to an email and send it if you get stuck. But don't fall behind. Keep working. Go through Chapter 6. We're going to spend, we're going to go right into the next chapter as we come back from spring break. So, use this as a period to catch up. Don't forget to double check your exam number 2. Make sure that you agree with all the grading and that your grade was recorded correctly into PAWS. So, should be up to date on the grades, but you do have some due dates pending. So, be aware of that and be safe and enjoy some of this good weather. And we'll see you on the other side of spring break. Enjoy.